Hey guys, Christy here with Editor Creations and welcome to my channel. So today I want to tell you a little bit about a new program that is called High Ticket Purpose. And so I wanted to give you a little bit of a walkthrough of this program, what it includes, how it can benefit you, and then if you stay towards the end, I'll show you how to get a free gift just for subscribing. All right, so let's get into this. So what is High Ticket Purpose? High Ticket Purpose, or HTP for short, is a fully done-for-you business in a box, and it's really designed for beginners in mind, or burnt-out marketers, creators, and really anyone who wants to launch a high-ticket affiliate business without all the tech overwhelm and guesswork. So this I felt was a good alternative as far as my offerings to have, because sometimes it really is nice to have a more high ticket purchase in your repertoire, and we'll get a little bit more into that on the specifics of it. But first of all, you might be wondering, well, I'm not a very tech person, so what do I need for this? And that's the beauty of it, is that you don't need a lot of things. So let's go over the things you won't need first. So you don't need to design a funnel. Imagine that. Now, I'm pretty tech savvy. I can do funnels and all that, but not everybody is, especially when you're just getting started in digital marketing. You also don't need to write copy, because all of that is done for you. And you don't need to set up automations. Automations are like so amazing because those are workflows and automations that can be running for you while you're out having breakfast or running errands or whatever it might be. So you can literally plug it in, you can personalize a few pieces, and then launch. You can do this pretty much within 48 hours, I'd say a day. And yes, it is high ticket. That means when you make a sale, you're going to earn $600 per direct sale plus $200 from your team sales. So obviously, disclaimer, there is no guarantee of income, and this is for educational and informational purpose only. But the point is just being able to have a high ticket product that you can get set up within a day or two and earn $600 per sale. Especially right now when people could use the extra money, yeah, I will take that any day. So those are just a few of the bullet points. Now you're probably wondering, okay, now what's included? Is this going to be some complicated thing I got to do? But it really does come with a lot of valuable assets. So first thing you're going to get, and I'll show you some of these things here in a minute, you're going to get a fully built high converting sales funnel. You're going to get step-by-step expert training. There's live coaching, mentorship, and onboarding. So you're never going to be left to your own devices or flailing in the wind and wondering, what do I do next? You're going to have access to a thriving support community and plug and play business assets, the best kind, right? It's going to have email sequences, lead magnets, templates in Canva that you can use and customize, and a whole lot more. So it just keeps getting better. All right, now as far as the actual setup, the software and the setup, it is built on maybe you aren't familiar with a software called Go High Level. So this software, if you purchase the high ticket profit system, or HTP, then you will get this software at a discount, and it will be $57 a month. That is a steal. Okay, if you know anything about digital marketing and a lot of the tools that you have to use, this is going to be a huge savings. You could be using 5 to 6 different platforms separately that enable you to do the things that you can do right inside of Go High Level. So these are going to be things like ManyChat, where you can create automated DMs, WordPress, where you could create a website, Calendly for scheduling appointments, Beacons or Stand Store, that's usually like for your bio, your link in bio. ClickFunnels to create funnels, Kit, ConvertKit, Aweber, any of those email marketing platforms, and so much more. So the value of this whole setup would easily be over $10,000 if you were going to hire someone out, maybe a VA or someone that specializes in creating funnels. But with HTP, your total investment is just $997. That's just one time, plus the optional software. And like I said, that is in itself a huge savings. I'm paying a lot less now for my software than I was before. So very happy about that. You'll also get a customizable storefront, and that can replace if you're using beacons or StanStore. So a lot of stuff at your disposal. Now, why is this so valuable? Okay, because you're not just getting the funnel and the emails and the automations and all the other stuff, but on top of that, you're getting really a learning hub, so to speak. And I'll show you this here in a minute as well. So that's really one of the biggest reasons why this is so valuable, even more so than the funnel itself, because you can start earning while you learn. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this, and I'm going to show you right over here. Well, that's an example of a storefront, and there's all different templates that are available to customize and use. But what I was wanting to show you here is inside of the community, inside of High Ticket Purpose, there is a learning tab. And in here, of course, you're going to have all your start here videos that'll show you how to navigate the software, how to get set up. You can do it in like 20 to 30 minutes. It's really pretty simple. And of course, you'll have other done for you content. But what's awesome is you have all of these amazing courses. Each of these courses in itself is hundreds of dollars, because these are courses that are sold by creators, including myself, outside of the community. So this first one here, when you open this up, I'll give you just a peek inside. You're going to get access to my course, which is a digital product kickstart. So you're going to get access to this whole course in here. You're going to learn how to choose your niche, deciding what to sell. You're going to have Canva design foundations and tutorials, and how to create your own digital products, whether it be with templates. And there's going to be all kinds of resources and showing you just how to do that. That is just one example, okay? And that is free, included with your purchase. So that is just one example. There's also going to be courses like Pinterest, right? Pinterest is an amazing way to get traffic. So you're going to see courses in here for this on Pinterest and how to get started, how to get set up, all the things. I mean, it is insane. And we're in the early days of this, and there's going to be a whole lot more being added here soon. But there are also courses on mindset, 7-figure mindset and motivation course. I mean, it just goes on and on. So that's just to give you a peek inside of what is included. And there's, like I said, there is more coming. There are some creators that are being kept under wrap until their course is added. So I'm excited to see what's to come. So definitely keep that in mind. Now going back to our presentation here, I'll open that back up. Right. So let's go over 10 reasons that HTP works and why this is a great option. First of all, it's truly done for you. The funnels, emails, the tech, everything. I've been through a lot of programs over the years. Some of them will say done for you, but it's really not. But in this case, it really is. And they even have onboarding and people on the team who can set it all up for you. I like to do it myself, but there are others that really need the help with that, and that's all included. So pretty amazing. You can also earn real money, right? $600 commissions. When you get one of those cha-chings hitting in your email box, it just hits different, because it's like, whoa, you know, getting a nice chunk of money versus the little drip drip of $7 commission here, $10 commission there. It really feels good. All right, another one is that you can launch fast. You can do this in under 48 hours and then you're live. All right, you can do it even in less if you do it yourself. I think I got mine done in less than an hour. It's plug and play. There's no coding or tech chaos. You get mentorship included, and it's community driven. So you're not doing this solo. You have lots of support from the community. It's built for beginners. So even if you've never done this before, it's really going to take you step by step through everything to help you get set up and get going so you can start making those sales. It's also going to save you thousands of dollars, right? There's no separate tools needed, especially, if you go with the software, because that's really going to power your whole business, and highly recommend you do get the software. And then you're creating income with purpose, right? You're building something real. And if you're getting the software as well, you're going to have the ability to create your own digital products. You don't have to just sell high ticket purpose, but like myself, I have an online store, I have courses that I sell as well, and other digital products. So you're not limited, right? But this is great for the person who needs kind of a starting point of where to get started. And really, it just works. It just works, period. Because of it being easy to set up and easy for people to get going. And of course, there are awesome testimonials, people who are already getting sales within days, if not hours, of sharing this. And so this is something that you could, if you wanted to, spend months building funnels, buying software, and piecing all the things together. Or, much better idea, you could shortcut the whole thing. You could get launched in just a few days and start earning with a business that is built to help you win. All right, so if that sounds what you've been looking for, then definitely go to my website, and I'm also going to link that below so you can check it out. And it's earningwithpurpose.com. So why do you want to do this? Because done for you doesn't just mean easier, right? Done for you is great. Who doesn't love it? But really, it's about getting faster results. It's less stress, and you just have more peace of mind that way. Be sure to check it out. I've given you a little peek of what's inside, and go to earningwithpurpose.com, check that out. And let me show you, one of the other things I wanted to show you here was the actual sales page. So this is the sales page and funnel that you're actually going to get access to. It's already done. There's just like a few things you have to customize and tweak, and it's that easy. So then once you do that, once someone opts in with you, they're going to get a free gift, which is right here. And this is amazing because Kendra has done a little training on how to create 30 days of done-for-you content and bulk create it in Canva. So really useful training here. She's also included a spreadsheet with 90 fully optimized posts, Canva plug-and-play reel templates, and there you go. And that's just for subscribing and learning about what is included with this amazing system. All right, so like I mentioned, if you subscribe, you go to earningwithpurpose.com and my website, then you will be able to subscribe and opt in to that funnel. You're going to get access to that free gift and learn about high ticket purpose. It's definitely a program I would highly recommend. It truly is done for you, like I said, and it's something that you can get started quickly and easily and start making those high ticket commissions, because who doesn't love that? All right, so I hope you found some value, and I hope this video was helpful to you. So be sure to like, subscribe, share it with someone, and of course, check the link below, earningwithpurpose.com, and I'd love to know your thoughts and hope you enjoy that free gift. All right, and I'll see you on the next video.